What's up guys, Dark here, and welcome to another tutorial how to make online flash games. So today guys, we're gonna learn how to connect to MySQL and command the MySQL. Sorry about this. So basically we need to connect MySQL and PHP first, and you might ask, what is MySQL itself? So MySQL is the same thing as the text document what we are using. So basically, if we go to our CPanel, we can clearly see there is MySQL and phpAdmin. So those two are kind of same thing. And if I will type this, no, not this one, it's 53. Okay, 53 is the darkingate.gp.tn. So we are gonna go inside this, and let me open the FireZilla either. So let me open the FireZilla too. So let's go to database. No, I'm fine, thanks. Alright, I create 3 of the database. So I have 3 database. I can choose any of them, and they are the desks only, so it's okay guys, everything good. I can delete these users, so it will be more clear to show you guys what's going on here. Basically, I'm just gonna drop, and okay. Alright, so I drop the table of the users. What you do first thing is create a database. You go to MySQL database, and if you are in the yourDBhost, you need to choose your database name, choose your database username and password. So, and in here it's choosing username, host name and password by itself. So the name is what you type here, and the password is your CPanel password, which is kind of bad when you're recording a video, because everyone will be able to see the password, and if they see password, they can go in the CPanel. And if they can go in the CPanel, they can give you guys viruses, which is really bad. So yeah, I'm taking that risk because I know you guys won't do this thing to me. I know you guys won't do such a thing to me. I hope so. Will you guys? Or you won't? So this is the this is account that Let Me Play this created, and now I will create an array. What the fuck? Who the fuck create an array? Oh, this is a beyond. Alright, so let's say DB login. So let's create a DB login.php. So a database login.php. And let's make the login form, not login, the registration form. So basically what we need to go, we just create a name, and there we will see our name, and we click the admin. When we click the admin, we will see the table like this, the empty table, and we will need to fill up this, like name and anything what you want. Let's say users. Alright, let's say users. This could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything what you need. If you take 3, make it like if you need like email and stuff like this. But if you need like more professional way, the user IDs, so number IDs, if you need like this, you must to leave this as int. Int is the numbers. So basically you're leaving this as numbers, and those ones changing into varchars because they are variables, so they are changeable. 255 is the maximum, and I'm choosing this for everyone. AI, what this means, not artificial intelligence. This is auto insertment. That means whenever this is this is there, it counts as 0, then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's increasing by automatically. And users, so I'm gonna make users unique. That means if there is one user, there can't be second user like this. So if there is like dark, and someone tried to create dark, it's not gonna add dark. It's gonna say no, it's impossible. There already exists the thing like this. So yeah. the primary, unique, and password is anything, like make what you want, whatever you want. Basically, this is a script to create a table from outside if you want so, and that is our DB. Let's go to the docking gate. That's gp.tn/dblogin.php. And let's test if this is true. So let's say PHP right here, and this is how the PHP codes are between those one. Everything what you put is PHP code. So let's say echo and echo ASD. Alright, wait, echo ASD. Control save, and whenever you click Control save, it's gonna pop up the window like, do you really want to save this? Alright, ASD, so this is connected. Now, what I'm gonna say is connection to the MySQL. Every MySQL command starts with MySQL underscore. So this is the MySQL command. Every command starts with this. MySQL underscore. So, first one, we are gonna connect the MySQL, then we're gonna get the what we want. So, get the table. Alright, so first connect. To connect MySQL, we will need three things. First is host, second is MySQL username, and third one is MySQL password. So, as we know, the MySQL host is sql311.gp.tn. So this is for me. Username is my gptn underscore 195.03153, and user and the password is for me this one 511191, and to select the database. And I'm pretty sure, guys, you will delete everything from my site, and I will be like, why would you do such a thing? But yeah, you know what, I trust you guys. I trust you. Alright, so let's now connect it to DB. Basically, this is the same thing. What's the username for this host, at least, but underscore darky, because we are in the darky database. So let's save this one, and let's say we are ready. If it's gonna stay as ASD, means it's connected. So I'm gonna say now, no, I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the information and just get the information from MySQL. So how can we get the information from MySQL? So we're gonna say MySQL underscore query, and right here we're gonna say what we want. So we want to select everything from, wait, you must say all caps, from users, and we're gonna say the next thing, while s get or anything, or g, while g equals the MySQL fetch array double r, MySQL fetch array, and inside of this we must to say next thing. But before that, we are gonna say this one. So we don't need that, but we need to say this one right here. And right here we're gonna say as oh, we did not give it the SA equals SA. So getting everything from the SA and taking everything. So I'm gonna say now echo or print. Let's say echo the G and from SG we're gonna echo username. Alright, so let me add myself. So how do I add? It's insert. Then I'm gonna add ID is 1. The name is Darkingate and the password is not that one. That was a joke name, alright? Don't look at this too much. Alright, so yeah, we created it. Okay, so we are gonna get the name out of that. So let's save and let's see. Okay, refresh the page and it should probably already give us. Oh wait, let's go if. Let's go say if. First, let's go and say if, because there is only one, and this should give me like bunch of m's and non-stop. So yeah, as you can see, bunch of m's. Alright, so how to fix that basically? So if I don't make this one and it's gonna be like that, it's gonna give me a full total crash error, right? Oh no, it's not. Alright, so I should not say in the thing. So it's showed me just m. Basically that's the code, so just make this sure. And now how can we connect this one? So password is this one, and then just one more space, and then space dot space, and right here you just say SG, and right here you're gonna type your user password, and right here say again, just say the little nail, two of them, space dot space, and just say user, the double colon or what you call it, and Ctrl A like this, and now it should give me the user and password. Username is Darkingate, password is dark. Alright, so we echo our MySQL database, MySQL data. So now if we change this into a while, it's gonna give us every data that's in there. It's only one, so it's nothing there. Alright, now how to insert the data in there, in the MySQL. So we are going to create HTML stuff. So let's say HTML, and let's say HTML with the closing, not the dot. Alright, there you go. So let's say right here form the method. So method is really important, guys. You just need to say method post. So if you don't post, it's not gonna get the post in this PHP, and it's not gonna read the stuff what you post. Alright, so this is basically the most thing what you need to do here. Right here you just end the form and that's it. Alright, so now let's say input, let's say center. So it will be in the center, everything gonna be center. So I'm gonna say right here center. Alright, so everything will be center now. Input, the type is text. Alright, type is text, and name is the most important. Name, what name you want to be? User. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a user, and if name is user, I'm gonna post user in the PHP right here. So basically it's gonna be that, and that's it. So we're just gonna say this 3 more times, basically 1, 2, and yeah, that's it. Like for register we don't need more. We're gonna say password here, and type is password. This is the enter or send, and this is a button right here. That's it. So what we need to do now is to add some stuff here. So we're gonna say now s the user equals s underscore post, and right here we're gonna say what's his post. Like in Flash we're gonna say user, it's posting the name of this. So basically it's the same. So we're gonna post the password now. Password and password. And also we're gonna post the send button. So what should we call this? Send or post? Send. Alright, send. Let's say send. So send is send. And now we're gonna say if is set. So if we hit the send is there, then send. Send. If send is there, then we're gonna. Oh shit. No, we're not gonna shit, guys. Don't worry. So if this is send, then we're gonna say that MySQL query. Oh wait. MySQL query, and just this. We don't need that. Insert into users, and we're gonna say what we want to insert. So I want to insert username and user password with always of s user s password. So I want to insert, and this wants to be in the one and else. So yep, like this. So basically I'm gonna insert into users the username and password with always those ones. That's great. So now let's hit the save button and let's see if it works. Refresh the page. As you can see, it's at the center of that. And alright, so basically guys, we just need if send, because if there is a send, so if send is something, then it's gonna appear. So that was the problem. It's not is set. Is set was something like my mistake. So I apologize for this, guys. I just removed the nails right here. I don't think they are really so important. So let's go ahead and let's see. Alright guys, so what was the problem is the submit. So I should say submit and I say submit. What the fuck? So everything was correct, like everything was correct from the beginning. I can even go ahead and say here the send, because it was correct. Everything was correct except my submit. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. That's what's the problem when you don't know the English correctly. You just suck a dick like me. Alright, so dark gate then dark. Alright, let's go ahead and let's say, let's refresh the page and dark. So if you know the English correctly, you probably will do the same thing what I did right now. So basically, yeah, this is how it works. This is how to add some stuff. And now I will show you guys how to remove some stuff. So not that and not that, sorry. So basically we're gonna remove those stuff. So if is set, okay, we're gonna say no dot, and right here we can use the HTML code. So we're gonna say this HTML code right here, somewhere right here. Alright, and now we're gonna say BR. Alright, so basically right here we're gonna say some stuff. Submit, no, not submit, name is remove, type is submit, value is remove. So when you click it, the name is remove. And now I'm gonna say if is set the remove. Okay, if it said the remove, I think I'm fucking this up. I don't think this is gonna work, but I'm still continuing, like for some reason. I don't know why. So if it's gonna say remove, just remove the user and password from the user and password. Yeah, let's see how it works. If it's not, we're gonna make this input right here. So let's see. Refresh. Okay, I fuck up, guys. Where is the real thing? Alright, no, the DB1. Oh, oof. The DB login. There you go. There you go. Jesus fucking Christ. Alright, I think I got disconnect, guys. Oh my god. Alright, so when the disconnect is gone, I will be back. Alright guys, so I don't have disconnect anymore and I'm not gonna fuck up anymore. So basically I'm just gonna left this one right here, left the BR because we need to BR every time we do something. So yep, I'm gonna say remove. So submit URL and remove. So basically this will remove what we will want to remove. Alright, so if set remove is set post remove, then MySQL query delete from users, username, password, always those ones. Alright, so let's click as save and let's go to our website, which is right here. Alright, okay, this is my window. Okay, let's see. Alright, we should not do this one until we are finished, I think. So that's why I should not have done the closing one, basically. Alright, so let's see. Disconnect again, I think. And this is bad. This is really bad. Alright, I will be back when the disconnect is gone. Alright, so basically the wrong thing right here is that if is going right there, but it should be right here. So if we have this one set and we're gonna give this a remove variable and fuck my English, why not? So it's gonna post the remove. Now I'm gonna say if there is a remove, Jesus Christ. So if there is a remove query, remove from users those ones with values of user and the password. Alright, so yep, let's go ahead and save. Let's see, refresh and refresh, and it's fucked up. Alright, so let's see what's wrong. Are you fucking serious? Are you fucking serious? Look at this, guys. Just because of this. Just because I forgot one semicolon. Everything went to fuck up. Guys, I just add semicolon and there. Everything fixed. Fine. 100%. Thumbs up. Fuck you. Jesus fucking Christ. Just for one semicolon. Just for one this shit. Everything was fucked up. Alright, let's try this. Darken gate. No, let's try darken gate 1 and dark. Let's just submit. Refresh the page. There you go, darken gate 1 and the dark. Okay, let's say we want to remove this username with darken gate 1 and remove the password with 1. Submit. Okay, let's refresh the page and let's see if there is still a darken gate. Alright, there still is a darken gate because I did some error mistakes. Alright, let's see. Where? So this should not be that. Where username equals username and user pass equals user password. Okay, and there you go. Alright, let's see now. It should be 100% done. So basically we are manipulating the stuff now. Let's go to say darkingate 1 and let's see dark. Remove. Alright, let's go ahead and refresh. It's removed. Now we can remove them just by the users. So we can just remove this thing and we will have only users. So basically what we will need to do to remove people is just removing their users. So let's say bit and remove. Refresh. Yes, okay, yeah. Alright, so refresh and it's removed. Let's make the password 2 of them. Let's say there is a two password. So that means we're gonna make 2 of them right here and right here. So basically what we're gonna do when we are adding, it's not only if this is that. We will say that if there is the 2 password. So if password matches second one. So if password 1 equals okay, equals password 2. This is that. Else it's gonna say echo or post in here that passwords doesn't match. Alright, so let's save this one. Go to our web browser and let's refresh and say echo instead of post. Sorry. So let's say echo and let's say dark the DBBB. Let's submit. Dark DBBB. That's kind of strange. It's not gonna post anything, but it did not add. Like the point is, it did not add. Wait, dark. Submit. No, it won't add anyway because the MySQL, we command to MySQL to not add the 2 of the same ID, and that's what's happening. Actually I go disconnect. That's what's happening right now. But let's see, it's loading. It's gonna load. We will see. Alright, we can do this. So basically if there is not matching, we can just don't do an else and stuff like this. Just we will say like if password match this, do that. And also we're gonna say right here echo and success. Let's say echo success. Alright, so refresh. But I got the disconnect right now, I'm pretty sure, and as you can see, yes, I got the disconnect. So whenever the disconnect is gone, I will be back in 1 second. Alright guys, so disconnect is gone and the files are uploaded. And there is still fucked up. Echo success doesn't work, I guess. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ, are you serious? Bring back my echo success. Fuck you, liar. No, I'm not. Jesus Christ, I just add like the additional thing, and that's why it's fuck up. Alright, let's go in dark. Go dark and dark. Let's click submit and see what happens. Guys, it's so fucked up. I go disconnect every fucking single second. Are you serious? Oh, well, you should not say success right there, bro. Jesus Christ, he said success right in top of that, dude. That's not good. Alright, so let's say BR right here. Okay. And right here, let's say success. Alright. Let's see how it works. And let's see. Alright, dark, and why I see this one right here. That's kind of strange, so we don't need that. Just need to say BR success. We just need to say in the double nail, so this will be as an HTML well, let's make a big this one, and let's see the result of this. Alright, so let's refresh. See, dark ingate, dark, dark, submit, success. So dark ingate, dark, dark. Let's see, refresh, and let's see if there is the dark ingate, dark, dark, dark in dark tube, dark, dark, submit. Let's see if there is a dark tube, dark, dark. Yes, there is. Dark ingate, dark, dark. Let's see if it's add dark ingate, dark, dark. If it's not, it should not add the dark ingate, dark, dark, dark in the MySQL because it's not exists. So that's why. Basically what I'm gonna say, if they don't match, I'm gonna say else the echo, and instead of success I'm gonna say fail, password doesn't match. Alright, so let's see. Let's refresh, and Jesus Christ, why if this is not if. This is not if. Alright, so basically this is if I want. Okay, save, and let's refresh. It should be right here. Okay, so let's say AST, let's say CCC and DDD, submit. Password doesn't match. Great. Let's say AST, and AST. Password doesn't match. Great. Let's say dark ingate 2, dark and dark, submit, success. Great. So alright, so let's see, remove. Alright, remove. There you go. So that's basically all I can show you guys for now. And whenever you are showing those users, you can also use them to log in. So we can use those types of texts, and we will say right here the user and value and submit. So submit to, let's give this name submit, login, the password name is logpass, and the name is log user. So log user and log thing and log thing. Method is get. So method is like getting the method. So basically we don't need those ones, we just need to be there. So I'm just going to say the BR right here, so it will be way down, and I'm going to get log user and log pass, and also name is login, log user, log pass. So let's get this one. Let's say log user, log pass, and also one of them will be login. Let's say login, log. So log user, log pass, and login. So basically what we're gonna get here is that we don't need those ones. We actually don't need those ones. The login, log user, and log pass. And we're gonna say here if. So basically if PHP. So this is gonna be PHP format. MySQL underscore query Celeste everything from users where username equals, and right here as log user. Alright, if log username and this is the log password, then we will say echo equals success. That's the problem. For method must be the post. And alright, so there you go, that's done. Fetch array. Holy fucking shit, are you serious? I forgot this kind of thing. Oh my god, are you serious? What the fuck? Alright, so let's fix this thing. Alright, so let's fix this thing right here. MySQL select MySQL, and right here we must select those ones. That's great, but why miss this kind of thing? Oh my god, MySQL fetch array underscore array. I thought like, why the fuck that's not going on? I was like, oh my god, holy shit. Alright, so this will work now perfectly fine. Fetch array is like getting the information of the with the array. So that's the main thing, to get the information whenever you're logging in. Yeah, but still, what the fuck? That's a login echo the username. We don't need that. So we need to select, and D is the fetch array of the dark, and what we need to do else? What we need to do else? That's a great question. That's bad. That's kind of bad. That's really bad. Alright, so it should already give me my stuff already. So I'm gonna say what I'm gonna say, select the username from the log user, and after it, if the log user if username and log pass equals user pass, is login successful. You know what, I'm just gonna remove those one, and I'm just gonna say okay. So if it's gonna work like that much, it's gonna be great. So let's go ahead and say dark, and let's see, login successful. That's great. Thank you for saying the login successful, bitch. Alright, so now we're saying like, if the log user is the thing. Alright, so let's copy those things right here. If log user and log password right here, log password equals user password, then this one goes there. So let's see, and let's get this one. Alright, let's see, dark, done, dark. Let's hit the remove button. Login successful. Let's say dark engage and SSS. It's not login successful. Let's say sat and sat. It's not login successful. That's great. So that's great. And now we're gonna say right here BR, just to make this one look better. And we're gonna say B right here to make this go good. And if you guys interested how long did I record this video already, I will show you guys right now. 1 hour and 8 minutes. Yeah, right, I know, right? Yeah, it's fucked up. Okay, login successful. Okay, let's say dark 2, let's say D and D, submit. Successful. So this is registration, and let's say dark and D. Okay, dark 2 and D. Login successful. That's great. That's great. So we can manipulate now. Let's say dark 2 and remove. Let's refresh. Refresh. Okay, just click remove. Then remove is refresh. Okay, so there you go. So basically, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna say the okay. let's create remove. Alright, so now we're gonna say if this is not null at all. So if the log user is not equals null, and the null means the nothing. So basically null means the nothing. So let's go ahead and refresh, and let's click remove now. Alright, it's not adding anything. So let's add the same thing to the registration. So let's see, the registration is right here. So registration is right here. If password equals that one, and the user is not equals of the null as well the password. So s pass, oh shit, I should say and sorry, s pass doesn't equals null, and then s pass 2 doesn't equals null, and right here we say and then the s pass doesn't equals null, log pass I mean. Alright, so now if everything is 0, nothing will be added in our MySQL. So let's say submit, the password doesn't match, so it's not gonna add anyway. So why the fuck password doesn't match? Okay, if we do that, password doesn't match. Alright, password does match, but the field is empty. So else, now we say if the password equals null, if password equals null, then we are going to echo another thing. We're gonna echo fill the password field. Else, okay, right here we're gonna say else if, and we're gonna say else if the user, okay, user equals null, we're gonna say first we're gonna close it, and we're gonna echo the fail. Okay, fail. Okay, let's say fail file. Fail. Fill the password field. Fill the user field. Alright, so let's try this out, how it's gonna work. Alright, I forgot one closing somewhere. Let's see if we forgot one closing somewhere. Yeah, we forgot one closing somewhere. Alright, so let's say submit. Fill the password field. Alright, let's say password field we fill. Password doesn't fill the user field. Okay, as you can see, it's giving us multiple requests. So let's say dark. Login successfully. If login successfully, get the season, and if season, get the login. So let's say right here at the top of this one. Oh my god, guys, I was making you misunderstand me. Not season, but session. So this is like, oh my god, session. Alright, so that's actually the hugest mistake, more than the YouTube glitch. So season is the not season. That's why my English sucks. It's not season, it's session. session like this. Session login is login user, and we're gonna make session. So session. So if session user, so session is like saving a cookie. I was like, what the fuck? Why it's not saving my user? That's kind of strange. We could use this like that, but it should save my user. So yeah, I was like that. Let's go ahead and let's say dark. Login successful, welcome dark. Now if we refresh this one, it's gonna stay as the welcome dark forever, until we don't change the user. Welcome darking gate. Now when we refresh it, it's gonna say welcome darking gate. Now let's make a logout. So basically we're gonna say the form post, and we're gonna say only the logout. So basically let's say right here the logout. So logout, and right here it's value is login, and the second one is logout. So whatever, when we click this, what happens? So oh, wait, where is it? Okay, logout equals s underscore post, and we're gonna say right here log out. Alright, so we're gonna say now that if it's pressed logout, the session destroy. S underscore session, the user no, login the destroy. Okay, session destroy. Okay, we don't need that. Session underscore destroy. Alright, so there you go. Oh, holy shit. There you go. Alright, so let's click the save button and let's wait. Alright, it should be okay now. Alright, let's hit the logout button and let's refresh. Yes, I want to resend. Okay, wait 1 second. I think it's not that. Alright, yeah, so we need to unset the session 2 with the destroy. So session underscore unset. Alright, there you go. So we are unsetting the session and we're destroying the session. So yep, let's hit the logout button and logout button again. Logout doesn't really matter, right? Alright, session login equals alright, let's see this way. We just need to contact to the dude, you know what I mean? So basically the logout doesn't work. Let's say login. Let's say just login. If the login works, login should work perfectly fine. Basically, let's click the login. Alright, we can manipulate the login. So logout doesn't really work. So we need to fix the logout form. Login out. Holy fucking shit. Logout. Are you serious? Are you fucking serious? Jesus Christ. Logout. Fuck you. Are you serious? Alright, there you go. So right now it should work perfectly fine, and let's go ahead and let's say our name is dark, password is dark, it's welcome dark. Yeah, we are in. So basically, yep, we're dark. And now if I want to log out, I click log out, and there you go, it's unset. So basically that's your login form, and that's your logout form, that's your register form. Let's say dark, and let's say the password is 15. Password is 15, and submit. Successfully. Now we say dark. Password is 15. Let's say login. Dark is that. Hello, login successful. Let's say remove. There you go. There you go. So basically, guys, to explain you this, it took me 2 hours almost. So I'm already done. Yes, finally I'm already done. Finally. So basically, I'm gonna add one more thing. Background color. Oh wait. Biggie color equals black. So wow, no. Let's say gray. Okay, let's try to do that. Yep, that's it. There you go, guys. Beautiful login form, beautiful registration form, beautiful everything. Now we need to say the login form is actually registration. So, or maybe this is like another thing. I don't know. I just wanted to make this beautiful, but it kind of doesn't work. So fuck that. There you go, and we don't need that either because it's not what we need. Alright, let's say a bunch of beer right here. Say beer. Alright, so it's more beautiful, and let's try this out. Refresh. Alright, wait. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's see until there. Alright, so after everything is okay, I guess it's going to right here. Okay, so MySQL fetch array, it's gonna get everything, and it's gonna echo also. No, it's not while. Okay, not that. Okay, so basically I'm gonna echo those ones. Beer. That means after the Jesus Christ, I forgot the semicolon, which destroys the page. One little shit destroys the page. Can you imagine this, guys? Alright, so basically there are all the username and all the password, registration form, login form, and logout form. Let's go ahead and let's say dark. Let's go ahead. Alright, so okay, and the dark is stay here. We are login, we're logout now. We can register, we can login, submit, remove the users, and basically that's all I can learn, you guys, from the MySQL. That's all I know. That's all I know at all. And also I know the season start, and I know the season to be limited, like 24 hour, 40 hour, 48 hour, or something like that. So after 24 hour, the season will die itself. So basically what I mean on season die is that it will log out itself automatically. It's gonna season die and season log out. That means like if you're logged in the Ninja Classic for 2 days, and if you don't open the Ninja Classic for 2 days, it's gonna automatically die. So automatically, if you come back like in 7 days, it's not gonna be like, hey, you can still log in. It's gonna say like, you know what, you need to fucking log in again. So basically I think Ninja Classic has like 1 week of them, I don't know, but it's kind of cool. So there you go, guys. Login, logouts, the registration, the taking the stuff, inserting the stuff, and showing the stuff off. So that's all I can teach you. This is everything for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, just punch the like button. As you can see, guys, I recorded already almost 2 hours, which is insane, the longest video I ever made. But sure, for you it will be like 48 minutes or 30 minutes or 12 minutes. So this is the second tutorial, and why I made this tutorial, you might ask, because the season, and that's why I need register. I don't need those one. I don't need those window, but I need registration, login, and session. So if I have session, I can make the session's name. So basically, as you can see, my session name is every time when I take, like, its session name is dark, means if I say create the file of the session name, not the flash file from the flash, but the session name. So if my session name is darkingate, means I'm gonna save my game information into darkingate.cfg or something like that, or just darkingate.txt or darkingate, because I won't need the registration form anymore. Sure, it will be unscripted, and sure, it will be hard to get the information from there. But even if it's easy to get the information from there, I think it's kind of hard to insert the information into the text file, because my text file is the kind of hard to do some stuff, and it will be kind of hard to not so hard. I mean, I will just make like MySQL and the limitations for inserting some stuff, and it will be kind of good. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, just punch the like button. If you guys want more videos like this, want more tutorials like this, just subscribe to promote my channel, so more people can see those kind of stuff, and more people can tell to all their friends, like, hey, this dude making MySQL tutorial how to make login form and the registration form and the logout form. So yeah, go watch it, and yeah, it will really help me to grow with my channel and with my tutorials and my gameplay, everything just for you guys. So thanks so much for watching again, and as always, I will see you in the next video.